and 58 seconds. Okay, so if you like one last case, we're going down. It'll be to the front, to your right, and the glass roof handles above you as well. So we'd love to have a look at that. Will we evacuate guests from the elevators as well? Because these are on the outside and they're actually run by a generator. It'll just take too long if everyone took the stairs, right?
Do you have the movie today?
Pardon?
The movie?
The movie?
Yeah.
Yep. So when you reach the ground, just follow the green stickers on the ground and those will lead to the attractions.
In the ground?
Yes, the ground level.
It's about what? The movie.
It's a documentary about the construction of the CN Tower. And the simulator ride, it's a motion simulator about the ultimate road.
Not your sister.
Oh, sorry.
Again, for
Sorry, it's so interesting.
Yeah, I've been to. Very interesting.
Okay, so if you'd like to be the photo sticker early, just follow the camera stickers on the ground and the green stickers will lead to the attraction.